For the best collection of over 100 wild game video recipes you will ever find, for $6, go to www.vimeo.com/on-demand/cooking-wild-game.
I'm Rich with the Wild Things Show, and we have some Civil War reenactors with us today. Valerie, and now we're located today at the Heritage Hills State Park in Green Bay, Wisconsin. But what Valerie did for us, now what is this?
This is a pink pancake. It's a made dish, and a made dish is something fancy that you would want to impress somebody with your cooking skills. So if you were having something important over for dinner, this might be one of your light courses to impress this person with your culinary abilities.
Well, I'm impressed that they're pink. Now, how did you get them pink now?
Beets. Pureed beets. There's one large beet in this batch of pancakes. There is flour, sugar, cream, nutmeg, and some brandy.
Well, that sounds real interesting.
It's really rich based on the ingredients. And we are not going to use syrup on this because that wasn't what was put on pancakes at the time. Either a light dusting of powdered sugar, okay, or this recommends sweetmeats. Now these are dried fruits. It's apricot, date, cranberries, raisins, and currants. So they recommend sprinkling a little fruit on it, folding it, and you just pick it up and eat it.
Kind of like a taco.
Kind of like a taco. That would be my concept of it.
Kind of like a crepe, too.
Well, or it is crepe-like, and I imagine you could eat it with a knife and a fork, but they said it was perfectly acceptable to eat in your hand. Most pancakes in this time period were eaten in your hand.
Oh, it's still a little warm.
It's pretty fragile, too.
I really like my mother's pickled beets, but there's hardly no beet flavor in this at all.
I think the beets were meant really for a coloring. They have an intense color. Oh my. That is what I was expecting. It's really good.
This would sell as a candy bar.
This is really rich, really tender, and not very beet-like. And the sweetmeats are just wonderful on it.
But you can still make these at home over an open fire in a cast iron pan. But they are really good. I was really surprised. I was kind of expecting something beefy.
Well, I think if you do just leave them on a plate and leave them with a knife and fork, you get a better shot at it. But they're good. This is a reproduction spice box of the time period.
With a lock.
With a lock. Spices were kept locked. They were so expensive that if you had servants, the lady of the house would put out the spices in small amounts for what they were cooking that day, and she kept it locked, and the key in her pocket or on her chatelaine. Spices were an expensive commodity, and you didn't want them disappearing with your servants.
For the best collection of over 100 wild game video recipes you will ever find, for $6, go to www.vimeo.com/on-demand/cooking-wild-game.